My dear students, Chem Lessons welcomes you. JE NEET 2025 focus. Here a wonderful matching in metallurgy. Metallurgy. You see aluminium, copper, magnesium, zinc. You see calamine, cryolite, malachite, carnallite. These are the words of the metals. So please match it. Go for aluminium, no doubt. At the aluminium cryolite is the ore of aluminium. Na3Al F6. Na3Al F6 formula, cryolite formula. So cryolite related to aluminium. Next, copper. If you go for copper, you see malachite. CuCO3, CuOH taken twice. Malachite formula. CuCO3, copper carbonate, copper hydroxide. CuCO3, CuOH taken twice is the formula of malachite. This bit was asked in JEE mains 2 times, NEET also 2 times. Please note the formula of malachite. This is the ore of copper. Okay. The formula is CuCO3, CuOH taken twice. Next, magnesium. You see carnallite, KCl, MgCl2, 6H2O, carnallite, KCl, potassium chloride, MgCl2, magnesium chloride, 6H2O, 6 water molecule. This is a double salt. Carnallite is a double salt. Potassium chloride, magnesium chloride. 2 salts are there. Please note it. 6 water molecules are there. Zinc, calamine, ZnCO3, zinc carbonate, nothing but calamine, ZnCO3. So let me repeat, cryolite belongs to aluminium, malachite, CuCO3, CuOH taken twice belongs to copper, carnallite belongs to magnesium, calamine belongs to zinc. So these are the words of the metal. Thank you very much. Like, share, subscribe.